What's up, fam? It's your girl Shareen Nicole back with another review, and I have got a wig for you, baby. Yes. So I got this wig and I was like, let me see how it's looking. Let me try it out. And I was really surprised because, baby, look at the sheen on that hair. Look how full it is. Oh my goodness. Wait, y'all gonna see a little bit more? Don't worry. So I'm just showing you everything that it came with. It came with the wig caps, lashes, and I was here for it. Like, it definitely had the strap that you could put on. And right here, you see me putting it on. I put it on a little too tight. But that's okay. It comes with the baby hairs. And I was just here for it. So it's already kind of like pre-cut, which is like that little... If you guys know arts and crafts, you know the little scissor that kind of makes the round shape. Yeah, it's like that. So I didn't bother cutting anything off. I left it plain and natural the way it was. Right here, I just wanted to show you the length. So this is 28 inches. And I was like, yes, I am here for it. Now, mind you, your girl ain't never had a wig that long, so I am loving this. Look how full it is, y'all, please. So I think this wig is definitely a plus. Like, I would definitely say pick this up, honey, if you're looking for a full wig and something that is like really thick hair. This is it. The parting space is very, very good. There's a lot of room. If you guys need to replay this, please do, because in the beginning, I definitely showed you how much parting space it had, and you could do side parts and all of that good stuff. So I was definitely here for it. So now it was definitely time to do a curl test, because I was like, okay, this hair is beautiful. It's flowing. And I'm like, okay, let's give it a go. So this is human hair, just in case you didn't know. And we're about to see how this curl comes out. I was literally floored with this wig all together. Watch, you're gonna see. I was like, okay, baby, okay. This wig definitely came all the way through. So yes, I highly recommend this wig. To me, it was a good pick. I'm absolutely here for it. Look at this curl. Yes. Oh my goodness. You see my face. Yeah, I had to pull the hair back so y'all could see it in its entirety. Okay, baby? Like, that's a good curl. So yeah, I'm just running my fingers through it. You know, I wanted y'all to see it. But yes, honey, look at that. Look at that body and bounce. Get it, girl. Yes. But definitely check them out. Bye.